Hey guys, once again this is Blue Hot 49. Thank you for a big accomplishment of over 700 views. And also thank you to Anime Incorporated for his help. And also um also this is pretty much my Nerf long shot mod. Pretty much what I did is I just took the bipod, air removal back there, little stuff to the stock back there, and yeah. Now its range is probably a good 60 feet. That's just pushing it, not too much, not exaggerating. Okay, so good. That's my next long shot mod. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I got some more videos on as well.